Hey guys, it's Tony. One of the comments below was asking me how I do contacting onto MDF, so what I'm going to just do a quick brief how I go about it. Okay guys, so here we go. On the MDF you have to really prep it, get your string line nice and smooth. Any discrepancies where I've got a join here, wasn't quite happy with, need to make sure it's nice and smooth all the way through. So I've sanded and prepped that. Any holes I've got rid of and filled. Any lumps I've then got out of the actual MDF. I've taken all these edges off nice and cleanly now, so side of my string is lovely and smooth and prepped. In fact, look, I've got a little bit of filler there to sand off, so I can do that. I've had to do a bit of filling here, so I've just got to sand and rub all that up. So once I've then done this, I'll then put a base coat on this, a very thin layer, scraped on with an aluminium piece of trim. What do you need for veneering a piece of oak veneer onto a substrate like MDF or ply? What I used is aluminium plate with some little teeth in it, you can probably see here. I put that into a vise, piece of wood behind the back of it, and then I filed these little grooves in. The other thing is sometimes if you're going to dress the substrate like MDF, you'll need to put a base coat of contact on so it doesn't absorb the contact too quickly and go off too quickly. And then the other thing you can use is a little plastic scraper like this. The contact always comes off easier off a plastic scraper than an aluminium, but it's just aluminium's a bit more durable. You just have to work on it a bit more just to get it off. The other thing you'll need is strips as well, which is really important because when you're laying the oak laminate onto the MDF inner string, you'll need these pieces to stop this contacting straight away, so it allows you to pull the strips out, which you'll see in the process. Also, a really sharp marking knife. Use that to give us this beautiful sharp edge here. You'll never do it with a plane or anything else like that, or if you do, it just take forever. One really sharp knife, nice straight edge. I use actually my Festool straight edges here, it's just easier. And then contact glue. We use this in a well ventilated room as I've got here. So guys, you're wondering why I'm producing all these strips. The reason being is these are the strips that are going to go onto the side of the staircase when I come to laminating. When I rip them down, you see all these little furry edges, and the reason I sand them down because I don't want those edges going into the contact. So basically, once I've cleaned it all off, you can see there's no edges on there. I'll put these sticks and they'll pretty much just stick onto the side of this string with the contact on. And what I'll do is, as I'm laying the oak veneer on, I'll actually pull these sticks out the way like this, and then allow me then to push it into the actual position where it needs to go. Because trying to lay this all as one would be very difficult. It's a lot easier to hold the laminate, put these sticks in, you can take them out one by one, which allows you then to put the oak veneer on nice and comfortably without rushing, and then making sure you're getting it exactly where you want it to be. So guys, what have we got here? At the moment, we're pretty much nearly there with the staircase, knocking it all up. We've just got to put all the glue blocks at the back of the treads and the risers. I've just got to now laminate the front of this with the oak veneer, which is over here. So once I've done that, I've pretty much then got the staircase where I want it to be, ready for the carpet measure, which is going to happen in a couple of days' time. I'll get the time lapse now on veneering this panel veneer, oak veneer, all the way around this last tread. Lovely and crisp down here, no gaps. It's just lovely and neat. The veneers turn out beautifully there. I'm really, really pleased with the way the whole thing's come together now. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, put a comment down below. Also hit that subscribe button. My name's Tony, you've been watching Build with Amy. Have a great week, take care.